best settings for Call of Duty Warzone using the Astro A50 Gen 4. You want to have the Astro Command Center downloaded, and once you do that, click on one of these. You want to go to the advanced settings, and then you pretty much copy these settings. Copy the sliders, copy the frequency, copy the bandwidth. Once you're done with that, you're gonna move on to the sound. And how do you get here? Right click at the bottom, go to sound, scroll down until you see more sound settings, and then it's gonna bring you right here. What you wanna do, go to properties, levels, enhancements, bass boost. What you wanna do right here, click on that. And what I've been researching, the lowest frequency that this can go to for these headsets is 85. I could be wrong. But what you want to do is play with the bass levels to your liking. You can reduce it to none, which is no bass at all, or you can reduce it all the way to 24, which is going to be heavy bass, and I probably wouldn't recommend. That's probably going to damage your headphones. Also, you can turn on loudness equalization, which will give you a clear, more crisp sound, but it's going to be piercing to your ears, meaning that if you have your volume turned all the way up to 100, as you can see right there, that would be 10 times louder than that thing. So I would just like to leave this on, and that'll be it.